The Electrolux AC error E6 is one of the most critical diagnostic codes in modern air conditioning systems. This error specifically indicates a communication failure between the indoor and outdoor units, or control board malfunctions that disrupt normal system operation. As of 2025, error E6 accounts for 15 to 20% of all Electrolux air conditioning service calls, making it the most frequently encountered diagnostic code in the field. When error E6 occurs, it can cause complete system shutdown or erratic operation. However, this error actually serves as a protective mechanism, preventing further damage to expensive components by stopping operation when communication is compromised. Four key components are involved in error E6 situations: communication cables that connect the units, control boards that process signals, temperature sensors that monitor conditions, and power supply circuits that ensure stable electrical flow. Error E6 has four primary categories of causes, each with distinct characteristics and frequency rates. Understanding these patterns is crucial for effective diagnosis and repair. Wiring issues, representing 35% of cases, typically involve loose connections at terminal points, damaged communication cables due to wear or environmental exposure, and corroded terminals caused by moisture infiltration. Control board failures account for 30% of error E6 cases. These failures typically result from component aging after 7 to 10 years of operation, power surge damage during electrical storms, or manufacturing defects in the original components. Environmental factors cause 20% of error E6 occurrences. These include moisture infiltration during heavy rains or high humidity, extreme temperature exposure that damages sensitive electronics, and rodent damage where animals chew through wiring insulation. Installation errors represent 15% of error E6 cases and often stem from the initial setup process. These include incorrect wiring during installation, incompatible component matching between indoor and outdoor units, and poor grounding that affects signal integrity. Understanding error E6 requires recognizing it as a communication breakdown that protects your system from damage. By identifying whether the cause is wiring, control board, environmental, or installation related, technicians can efficiently diagnose and resolve this common but critical error code. The first troubleshooting step for Electrolux AC error E6 is performing a power cycle reset. This simple procedure can resolve many communication issues between the indoor and outdoor units. If the power cycle reset doesn't resolve the E6 error, proceed to visual inspection of the system components. This involves checking all visible wiring connections and looking for signs of physical damage. For more advanced diagnostics, use a multimeter to test communication cable continuity and verify voltage levels. The typical voltage range for Electrolux AC communication systems is 12 to 24 volts DC. Control board evaluation is crucial for identifying hardware failures. Look for burnt components, check LED indicator patterns, and test input-output signals to determine if the control board needs replacement. Modern Electrolux models feature smart diagnostic integration with enhanced self-diagnostic capabilities and remote monitoring through mobile applications. These systems provide more specific error subcodes and real-time tracking. Industry statistics reveal that 85% of E6 errors can be resolved without major component replacement. The average repair time is 2 to 4 hours, with costs ranging from $150 to $600. Preventive measures are essential for avoiding E6 errors. These include annual professional inspections, regular cleaning of electrical connections, and installation of surge protection devices to protect against power fluctuations. Know when to call a professional technician. Contact an HVAC expert if multiple reset attempts fail, there is visible component damage, or if the error occurs intermittently, which often indicates complex electrical issues. Homeowners can perform regular maintenance to prevent E6 errors. This includes changing air filters monthly, keeping outdoor units clean and free of debris, and monitoring system performance for early warning signs like unusual noises or temperature fluctuations.